Good morning, class 8th. This is your GK, chapter number 15th. Okay, news in print. So we have discussed this news in print first page, that was page number 26 in our last video. Okay, we discussed about the journey of the newspaper, how did the first earliest recorded newspaper came, and we read about the papers all about daily, weekly, national, international, online. Okay, then we read about readership, what is readership, what is newspaper circulation, color plus, size stock, and we did the tick the correct option in our last video. Okay, today we will discuss about its B part, that is on page number 27. Since it was a very lengthy chapter, so we have divided it into two videos. Okay, so what is your B part? You have to fill in the missing years in the given timeline using the help list below. This is a timeline. Okay, this is the timeline of the newspapers and about the journals, and you have to fill in the spaces between that. But accordingly, if you want to gain the knowledge, okay, don't just memorize the blank ones. Okay, you have to understand the whole chapter, the whole timeline. Okay, so we will start it from the below, because this timeline is being started from below and then it is going on increasing. Okay, so we will start it from here. First, 59 BCE. Okay, so what happened in 59 BCE? Acta Diurna is published in Rome. Julius Caesar orders the major political and social events of the day to be made available to his citizenry. Okay, so what happened in 59 BCE? It occurred that Acta Diurna was published in Rome in 59 BCE, and who made this decision? Julius Caesar. Julius Caesar wanted his citizens to know about the political and the social events going on in Rome. Okay, so he ordered that Acta Diurna should be published, and it was the earliest recorded newspaper. We have discussed in our last video. Okay, so it was published in 59 BCE. Okay, after that in 713 CE, 713 CE, what happened? Kaiyuan becomes the first newspaper published in China. If anybody will ask you which was the first newspaper published in China, the name is Kaiyuan. Okay, the name is Kaiyuan. Okay, now in this blank you have to write after 713 what will come? 1040. 1040 means 1040. 1040. So what happened in 1040 or 1040? In China, P. Shang invents printing from movable wood blocks. Okay, so China में क्या हुआ था? P. Shang. P. Shang was a person who invented printing from movable wood blocks. He took the movable wood blocks and he discovered that we can do printing from the movable wood blocks. So he invented the printing. Okay, so it happened in 1040. You have to fill it in the blank. 1040. After that, in 1392, movable. See, this line is for indicating that in 1392 this thing happened. Okay, so movable copper type is invented in Korea. Okay, so movable this copper type, it was invented in Korea for printing. Okay, then after that in this blank you have to write 1447. 1447. So what happened in 1447? It is very, very, very important. Johannes Gutenberg invents letterpress printing. Okay, like you can see the letters are printed on this paper. So who invented this letterpress printing? It was invented by Johannes Gutenberg. Johannes Gutenberg, and he invented it in 1447. Okay. Now after that in 1556, what happened? Venetian government publishes Notizie Script, a monthly newspaper for which readers pay a gazette or a small coin, origin of the word gazette. Okay, so Venetian government means government in Venice. They started publishing Notizie Script. Notizie Script was a monthly newspaper. It was given monthly to the citizens. Okay, and they had to pay for it. Earlier the newspapers were just distributed, okay, or it was mentioned in the public places, okay, but Venetian government, they published Notizi Scritti, and it was a monthly newspaper, and for it readers have to pay a gazette. Gazette means a small coin, okay. Then after 1556 came 1588. So what happened in 1588? In Cologne, Germany, Michael Antzinger publishes a 24-page news book reporting on the defeat of the Spanish Armada. This is one of the earliest first report of a significant historical event. So what happened in 1588? In Cologne, Germany, it was the place name. One person was there, Michael Antzinger. He published a 24-page news book. Okay, 24-page news book. And what was written in that 24-page news book? It was written about the defeat of Spanish Armada. Okay, it was written about the defeat of Spanish Armada. So this was one of the earliest reports that was mentioned in the news book, the defeat of Spanish Armada. Okay, then after that came 1605. So what happened in 1605? Johannes Carolus publishes the first printed newspaper, Relation. Okay, you have to memorize which was the first printed newspaper. It was Relation, and it was printed by Johann Carolus. Okay, Johann Carolus, and it came it was first printed in 1605. Okay, 1605. Then after that came 1621. So what happened in 1621? In London, the newspaper Courante is published. So what was the name of the newspaper? Courante. Okay, the newspaper's name was Courante, and it was published in London. Okay, in which year? 1621. So we are going through the timeline. 59, then 713, 1040, 1392, 1440, 1556, 1588, 1605, 1621. So we are going according to the timeline. Okay. Now next comes your 1631. So what happened in 1631? La Gazette, the first French newspaper, was published. Okay, so first French newspaper was La Gazette, and it was published in 1631. Okay, then after that came 1639. What happened in 1639? First American colonial printing press came. Okay, first American colonial printing press came. Okay, then after that in 1645 what happened? World's oldest newspaper is still in circulation. Post och Intrikes Tidninger is published in Sweden. So it is a newspaper in Sweden, and it is the world's oldest newspaper. Okay, so what was the name of the newspaper? Post och Intrikes Tidninger. Okay, so this was the name of the newspaper, and it is still in circulation, and it was published in Sweden for the first time in 1645. Okay, after that came your 1704. So what happened in 1704? Daniel Defoe, the author of Robinson Crusoe and often recognized as the world's first journalist, begins to publish The Review, a periodical covering European affairs. Okay, so the this author's name was Daniel Defoe. He was the author of Robinson Crusoe also. You must have heard about Robinson Crusoe. Okay, and he is often recognized as the world's first journalist. Okay, so he begins to publish The Review. उसने स्टार्ट करी थी द रिव्यू पब्लिश करना. एंड व्हाट इज द रिव्यू? इट इज़ अ पीरियोडिकल विच इज़ कवरिंग द यूरोपियन अफेयर्स. ओके, सो फर्स्ट टाइम ही बिगेन टू पब्लिश द रिव्यू इन 1704. You have to fill it in the blank. 1704. Okay, after that came 1798. So what happened in 1798? Alois Sidenfelder invents lithography. Okay, so lithography, the art of writing, it was published by invented by Alois Sidenfelder. Okay, and it happened in 1798. Okay, 1798. After that you have to fill in the blank 1844. 1844. So what happened in 1844? Telegraph was invented. It is very important. When was the telegraph invented? It was invented in 1844. Okay, then after that in 1851, what happened? You have to fill it in the blank. 1851. What happened in 1851? Reuters is published. Okay, Reuters came to be established. Okay, so it was in 1851. You have to fill it in the blank. First blank is 1844 and then next one is 1851. Okay, then in next one 1880. What happened in 1880? First photographs appears in a newspaper. Earliest the newspapers were black and white and there were no photographs. Okay, so in 1880 first photograph appeared in a newspaper. Okay, if your book has no photos, no colors, it will be very boring to read it. Okay, so that's why newspapers were also very boring to read. So that's why photographs came to be appearing in newspapers, and first news photograph appeared in a newspaper in 1880. Okay. After that, in 1900, what happened? Vladimir Lenin founds Iskra in Leipzig, Germany. This revolutionary newspaper goes on to become a major tool for communist propaganda. So, this author or the writer, this was Vladimir Lenin, and he found Iskra in Leipzig, Germany. Iskra was the newspaper's name. Okay, so this revolutionary newspaper, Iskra, it was a major tool for communist propaganda also, communist plans also. Okay, so what was the newspaper's name? Iskra, and it was founded by Vladimir Lenin. Okay. Then came your 1903. So what happened in 1903? Alfred Harmsworth, later Lord Northcliffe, developed the first tabloid newspaper, the Daily Mirror, in London. Okay, so Alfred Harmsworth, it was the name. Okay, so he developed the first tabloid newspaper. First tabloid newspaper was discovered by Alfred Harmsworth and its name was Daily Mirror, and it was established in London. Okay, so what was the work of Daily Mirror? The Daily Mirror introduced the concept of the exclusive interview. It was all about the exclusive interviews. Okay, so the first was with Lord Minto, the new Viceroy of India in 1905. So, the first exclusive interview was done with Lord Minto. Who was Lord Minto? He was the new Viceroy of India. Okay, so first interview was done with Lord Minto and it was published in the tabloid newspaper. First tabloid newspaper, the Daily Mirror. In which year? 1903. It was published. Okay. Now next one is 1966. What happened in 1966? Behram contractor Busy Bee begins publishing his column Round and About in the Evening News of India. Okay, so in Evening News of India, there was a Behram contractor. Its name was Busy Bee. Okay, so this Busy Bee, it started publishing his column Round and About. Okay, his column Round and About and in the Evening News of India. Running until 2001, it became the longest running column in the history of newspaper journalism. So, in this Round and About, it was the longest running column in journalism. Okay, so it happened in 1966. Okay, and it continued to be published till 2001. Okay, the last one in last blank you have to write 1994. Okay, 1994. So what happened in 1994? First independent online daily appears on the World Wide Web. Now everything is online, everything is digital. Okay, so in 1994, the first independent online daily appeared on the World Wide Web, and this was the last date of the timeline. Okay, so these are the years in the timeline for the newspaper's history. Okay, we have completed from 59 BCE till 1994. Understood? Okay, so this was your news in print second part, that is B part. Now last comes your info nugget, which is very, very, very important. So out of these 215 countries and regions, which 3 countries have the largest number of newspapers? They are China, Japan and India. Okay, in China, Japan and India are the countries, they are with the largest number of newspapers by an average circulation in the top 100 with 62 on the list. Okay, so which 3 countries have the largest number of newspapers? China, Japan and India. You have to memorize it. Okay, so this whole page, the A part and the B part, it is quite tough comparatively to the other chapters. Okay, so you have to revise it timely. Okay, so thank you for today. You can revise it.